Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up OBS easy. First, download and install OBS Studio from its official website. Once installed, launch the application and immediately run the auto configuration wizard. This helpful tool will analyze your system and suggest optimal settings. You can choose to prioritize either streaming or recording, depending on your main objective. This initial step ensures your setup is tailored for the best performance right from the start. Next, let's add your content. In the Sources box, click the plus icon. Add a display capture to show your entire screen, or use game capture for smoother game footage. For audio, include an audio input capture for your microphone and an audio output capture to capture desktop sounds. You can adjust individual volume levels in the audio mixer for perfect balance. Organizing your content with scenes is crucial. Create different scenes for various layouts, like a Be Right Back screen or a dedicated game layout. This allows for quick and professional switching. Enhance your presentation by adding scene transitions, such as a fade or cut. You can adjust the transition duration, typically between 300 and 500 milliseconds, for a polished look. Finally, you are ready to go live or record. For streaming, enter your unique stream key in the settings. If recording, specify your desired output path and video format. Before starting, always monitor your CPU usage and frame rate to ensure smooth performance. When everything looks good, simply click Start Streaming or Start Recording to begin sharing your content with the world.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.